Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Smart4 Home, the place where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of home security with a step-by-step guide on how to activate your Blink camera. Whether you're a new Blink user or you're looking to set up an additional camera, we've got you covered. Before we get started, make sure you've already installed the Blink app on your smartphone and have your camera ready. Camera unboxing and setup. First things first, let's make sure your Blink camera is properly set up. If you haven't unboxed and positioned your camera yet, go ahead and do that. Once it's in place, open the Blink app on your smartphone. Next, log into your Blink account, or create one if you're a new user. If you're setting up a new camera, follow the on-screen instructions to add a new device. Make sure your camera is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi network. Now, let's walk through the steps to activate your Blink camera. Step 1. Open the Blink app and navigate to the Devices tab. Step 2. Select the camera you want to activate. If it's a new camera, tap on Add a Blink camera and follow the prompts. Step 3. Connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. The app will guide you through this process. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password handy. Step 4. Once connected, your Blink camera will undergo activation. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Step 5. After activation is complete, you'll be prompted to name your camera and set up your preferences, such as motion detection sensitivity and recording length. And there you have it. Your Blink camera is now activated and ready to keep your home secure. Conclusion. That's a wrap for today's video on how to activate your Blink camera. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tech tips, and until next time, stay safe and secure.